Yeah, in the short term, I was expecting a pullback. I was in short in 4 hour chart from almost 52K, and I closed my position around $50,000, 800 around there. I was planning to hold my position to 49, but Bitcoin actually is bouncing right now. So as you can see here, Bitcoin is still bullish. Yes, it's still bullish, but there is no volume right now in 4 hour chart. Now we are going to see a 4 hour chart by signal potentially tomorrow. I think the next 24 hours, where I am looking for a move to 24 $52,000 per hundred around there. And I think Bitcoin is going to be in sideways. It's going to stay here in sideways for maybe a couple of weeks, something like this. And the reason is because right now we have a 12-hour chart sell signal. Let me show you here. We have a sell signal, ADX negative here. So I think now is time for Bitcoin just to be in sideways. Now let me show you here one day chart. One day chart, in some point next week, we are going to see a sell signal. My concern here, as you can see here, volatility is contracting here. So this is bad because remember what I said many times. If you see a move and like this one, right, you want to see volatility expanding as well, but in this case, contracting. So what is this telling me? Well, if we see a pullback, it's going to be very interesting. And actually, the pullback should be around $45,000. Now, let's talk about the weekly chart. Weekly chart actually is very, very interesting here. ADX is positive here, and as you can see here, and also OPV is breaking the previous high, actually broke the previous high of 2023 and 4 in January 2024. So it's bullish. It's bullish, looking for a continuation around $57,000, technically speaking, around here. That is the area I will start looking for the next resistance. Now, I said in my previous live stream, if Bitcoin close out, as long as Bitcoin is closing candles about $49,000, everything should be fine. But if we see weekly closing below here, you will see rejection all the way down to 34, 35,000. So, but as long as Bitcoin is about 49, even better, 50K, and closing actually right now this weekly chart like this, yeah, I'm expecting another leg up around, yeah, in the midterm around 55, $57,000, even 60K. But what I'm going to do right now is, in my case, I will just wait for the next 4 hour chart. The by signal here is about to happen maybe in the next 24 hours. In my case, I don't feel comfortable entering right now here in long position. Why? Because it's a little bit, it's like around 2%. I don't know. I don't feel comfortable here. So I will wait for 1 hour chart buy opportunity again. I mean, buy signal here, the next buy signal here, looking for something like this. Yes. And I will wait maybe some point around $51,000 if I'm lucky, right? So looking for a continuation. Target in the short term, $50,000, 700. But if Bitcoin breaks this level, let me be clear. If Bitcoin breaks this level, you will see 57,000 or 60K very fast, very, very, very fast. And actually, the biggest hint right now is weekly chart. If we have a weekly chart closing about, as long as we have candles closing above 49, $50,000, everything should be fine. Now there is something like is concerning for me. We have various variance, as you can see, for me here into the chart. Also, we have various variance in NOBV into the chart. Through the chart is forming a various variance. It's very easy to see here. So the party is, well, it's still bullish. Yeah, party is not over, but I can see some signs like finally Bitcoin is getting ready for a pullback. So this move in general is looking for me more like 2019, where Bitcoin was just pumping all time, as you can see here, all time without any correction. And after that, what happened? 6 months of sideways, and after that, this is the basement. So in this case, if we see something like that, the next 2 3 months, we can expect something like this, right? Sideways here, and after that, pull back, testing the basement around first target 40K and second target 30K. But it's gonna take time, right? So don't rush, don't rush. So I think Bitcoin is bullish, bullish, bullish. Yes. If you're going to open long positions, just protect your entry, because in the moment when, remember this, right? Volatility is contracting in one day chart. Okay. So all the longs out there. If you are going to open long positions right now, yes, I mean, yeah, fair enough, because it's bullish, yes, but protect your entries with a stop loss, because it looks like, at least in my experience, everything when we have this setup with volatility, you can expect something like this very nasty correction in just in one day, right? In one day, yep, that is something. Something like this, right? Something very nasty here. So that's why uh, I will be just careful. Okay. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next live stream.